Are you considering buying this spring but concerned about your credit? Hi, I'm Kimmy Rolph and I represent mainline buyers, and there are some easy ways to increase your borrowing power prior to applying for financing. And a score in the mid 600s or higher is often considered a good credit score. However, for home buying, according to Fannie Mae, the average home buyer score is around 750. And to build your credit, consider how credit is calculated. Credit scores are calculated by computer algorithms called scoring models that analyze credit reports from Experian, TransUnion, or Equifax. And there are many scoring models that may use different factors and weigh factors differently. They all share a number of similarities, including being able to predict the likelihood that a borrower will be 90 days late on a bill in the next 24 months. And this is why on-time payments are so critical, because a higher score indicates a person is less likely to fall behind on a bill and vice versa. So I always recommend being pre-approved prior to starting your home search. And before taking that next step towards the pre-approval, consider quick ways to improve your credit. If you have little credit history, apply for a credit card with a major credit bureau, or apply for another credit card. And this is infrequently the case with my buyers because the median price points of the mainline PA real estate. But if you are seeing this video and you are thinking of buying a home in the next year or so, you will want to start there. So consider cards with rewards programs or those with low interests that you're able to pay balances on promptly. This is the second key to improving credit, maintaining a low balance to debt ratio. It is crucial to be on time making your payments on credit cards so that you can improve your credit score. So next, pay off the past due accounts and pay down revolving accounts. There are a variety of financial tools to help accomplish this, and the most important thing to remember here is the past due payments are to be avoided. Lastly, correct mistakes in your credit report. Credit reports provide information from past to existing to delinquent accounts, and if you have mistakes on your credit report, you will want to opt to rectify them, especially if you're applying for financing to purchase a home. Whether you're thinking of home buying in the next year or the next 5, maintaining a healthy credit score and an eye on borrowing health is a good practice to have in place. And if you're looking to buy on the main line or surrounding areas sometime soon, please contact me and see my links below. Kimmy Rolph sells the main line and local areas.